Hello and welcome to my kitchen. We are here for another day for another delicious recipe, and this one is one of my favorites. It's almejas a la marinera or clams mariniere, and it's very easy. So let's start quickly. I already have 6 tablespoons of olive oil in the pot, which is already hot, and I'm going to add the onions. So we add the onions and we cook until they are soft for a couple of minutes. Now, this is a very quick recipe, so once the onions start getting some color, we're going to add the chopped garlic, and we'll do that and we'll cook on low heat until they start browning. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you because it's ever so tasty, and you will impress so many people when you cook it that they will be like, oh my god, this must have taken you ages. But no, it's only going to take you a very short while, you'll see. So now the garlic and the onions have started to brown, and when I mean brown, I mean brown, not burned. We're going to add the breadcrumbs. In you go. And we're going to cook the breadcrumbs until they are toasty. So we will just give it a few more minutes. We'll have to keep on stirring so they don't burn. So now the breadcrumbs have fried and are toasty. And what we're going to add now is the clams. Lovely clams, and there they go into the pan. And we mix, and now we're going to pour the wine, white wine, and the stock. If you have fish stock, use fish stock. If you don't, then use vegetable stock. And we're going to mix them again. Once that they have been mixed, like this, what we are going to do, we're going to put them in a medium heat. We're going to cover them, and when they are open, when they open up, is when they are ready. Just one advice, you need to make sure you wash your clams very well, because you don't want sand on your plate when you eat them, because you won't want to eat them. So the way that you do it is you put them under the tap water, you grab a few of them and you rub one against the other under the running water, clash, 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 and you put in one side, and you do the same thing with all of them. Once they are all washed that way, you put them in a bowl with water and sea salt, ideally for overnight, minimum 2 hours or so. So they drink that water and they spit out all the sand that is inside them. And when you finish cooking them, if there's any clams that are not open, don't try to open them and eat them. You will probably get sick. Just leave them closed. Only eat the ones that are open. The closed ones, forget about them. Remember, any clams that you find broken, remove them. Don't cook them. You don't eat these, okay? So anything broken, out of the pot. Okay? So now we're gonna let them cook. I'm gonna cover them, let them cook, and you'll see how nice this is. It's already smelling delightful. And this is it, my friends. Look at that. I wish you were here to smell this. This is out of this world. I can tell you that. This is out of this world. This is going to be amazing. It already smells amazing. I want to eat them right now. But the first thing we need to do is I need to put them in a bowl, serve them. When you serve them, you have to be careful when you pour the liquid onto the serving bowl because there may be some sand at the bottom of the pot. You don't really want to carry all that into your bowl. So you have to pour the liquid slowly, trying not to disturb the bottom of the pot. And this will be like your clams will look like when you put them on your bowl, and then you sprinkle your parsley evenly. This is delicious. And if you like this dish, please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, thumbs up, share with your friends, share with the world, share the love for food, and the most important thing of all, cook it and eat it. As I always say, don't just trust me saying it's good, try it by yourself. All in all, it's taking me less than 30 minutes. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you guys, bye!